啊？这个人放到袋子里面可以，再往上一杯。是不需要的，跟那个卖的书的这个应该是一样的。然后先冲一会儿电，我先播一下，来这一圈先转一圈，然后后面我们再开始练东西。辛苦了，今晚吃多点。最后一天其实也是大饭。在。Rich don't. I like it. Very good. That's the question. You don't know what kind of work, right? Is that used to in private labs? We mainly provide here. Like, so, the water heaters. How do you compare the beginners? What advice would you give me to perform the beginner? That's an American name, an American brand person. So, for example, tell me like you recommend why this brand and other brand why would I get my affiliate services to you? So for our products we can say different adapter that clients.
Thank you.
And then the other question is, as we start moving into volume, the question will be, okay, how can you service the warranty? Right? It's always going to be a good question. You've got distribution.
Yeah.
Like, what I'm used to in my past life is say, okay, once we get even at 2 dozen, I can manage it, but we start bringing in 40-foot containers a month, then we need to figure out the warranty.
Yeah.
Right? I can no longer hold the warranty. And typically what we do on a unit like this, look, if we go to the field, if it's a fast sensor, taking the bat for whether we can service it under an hour, then we would field service the unit with a new control or, I don't know, sensor in the bags. So once we get into anything on the refrigerant side, then whoever's out there is in a refrigerant engineer. Okay, we take the unit back, we will do failure analysis on it. We will look at it, see if we can store the unit in our facility, and keep it in what we call field replacement. So SKUs, a new unit is a SKU, a warranty replacement is a free. And then we would have to work with you. We said, do the photo, say, here's what's wrong with you, and you say, yes, it's under warranty. Yeah, it's for credit. Yes, have you gotten to the stage with any of the other OEMs where you figured out how to handle it?
Oh, yeah. Not the exact when the units is important area, and these should have fixed with receiving.
Which is the least expensive water South Florida, like the Florida, and the Caribbean. So for the right, but this is still Florida. It's still part of the U.S. Florida, but the thing is that Caribbean also is the same thing as the U.S. in terms of like it's almost like a less expensive market. So the power supply is like the power supply. Yeah, 110, that's people. And it's what I So I think a lot about things. Well, so I require very long. On your content. Yeah, these are three things from the air water from the day. So primarily, so they had science from air to water. It's more of a European kind. We have like air to water market. Looking at the bill, just start. How long? It's like just a brand new so probably something in my spot. Okay. What types of warranty does it have? That's ultimately that. Back when going in front thank you so much. That's it. We have to view our apartment. Oh no, I have a look see from so that was it wasn't a big sort of just a sign a favor in a sense, you know, we wouldn't go out and sell them. But for special projects, what we call friends and family. But I would like pricing because we may bring some in just to do favors for some people. But our core thing is back in the 16 kW legal for us. Yeah. To the T. But yep. Fine. Yep. They alternate. Now we're upgrading. No, it's for yours. We can monitor the maybe not. 但是穿那个大阪我可以50个 G， 然后因为是不好， For US it's not possible. It's not possible because it's in there but it's not used or it's not in the street. That's not it's hard. I guess pricing is no existing price.
你站得上来吗？
可以啊。
站得上来就行
对啊
了。这个演示太好了。
对啊。OK， 开始了。Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This is Kenny from PHNIX, and you're now watching the live stream from the AHR Expo out in the US. And today we are glad to have our sales director Edward in our booth as well. So hello Edward, would you like to say a few words to the audience?
Hello everyone. This is Edward from PHNIX. I am the sales director of the overseas department of the domestic hot water heat pump team. Yeah, today is my first time to do the online show. So hope today our shop can give you some inspirations on the heat pump industry. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Edward. So let's start the journey with PHNIX. About PHNIX, some of you guys may have heard about it before and some may not. So please give me a few seconds to briefly introduce our company to you. So for PHNIX, we mainly provide 4 genres of products, like the domestic hot water and HVAC, commercial, and also the swimming pool heat pumps. And in China, we have 3 production plants in Guangdong province and in Anhui province. And in the near future, we will have a new production base in Thailand as well. So, having mentioned that, let's get right to the point. Have you always been looking for high efficiency and cost saving water heater to save your energy bills?
Yes. Are you always looking for a more comfortable and economically designed to protect your heat pump experience?
And have you ever imagined the concept of intelligent home? So today we are introducing our new product, the heat pump water heater for the NA market, the KA model. So let's take a look at the appearance of this unit. Generally it looks smart and modern, and on the top you can see the top cover with the top inlet and side outlet, and also you can see the LED display. And also back to this front panel, we have the electric heater and also the overheat protector. And on the side, we will have our magnesium anode and also some water connections. So what is inside the units? Those who are not familiar with heat pump may ask. So inside we have a compressor, we have the EEV, the DC fan motor, fins heat exchanger, and most importantly, the electronics. So having said that, let's also take a look at some specifications of this unit. So this unit, the KA model, is using the refrigerant R134A, and its power supply is 208 to 240 and 60 Hertz. And also regarding its operation, it could work at a temperature ranging from 23 Fahrenheit to 109 Fahrenheit. And also it can produce hot water ranging from 100 to 140 Fahrenheit. And of course, 140 is not the maximum of this unit. Instead, it could produce hot water up to 167 Fahrenheit degree. So regarding its installation scenario, this unit should be placed indoor the unit. And it could have 2 adapters on the air inlet and air outlet to connect with the indoor air duct system. So after that, most customers may have the same question when they are choosing the water heater. So they may ask which type of water heater they should adopt, like the renewable ones, like the heat pump water heater, or the traditional ones, like the electric boilers or the gas boiler. So Edward, what is your preference?
Yes, personally speaking, I prefer the heat pump. You know, currently the people around me and myself now are using the heat pump to create the hot water
So as a heat pump user, could you explain more about the key advantages of the heat pump water heater?
I think the most advantage is the performance. As you know, for the heat pump, for this design is the 50-gallon design. The UEF is reached to 3.8, and for this model, our 80-gallon design, the UEF is reached to 4.1. It means for the unit, it can save a lot of energy. Do you know the UEF for the traditional heaters, such as for the traditional heater? Usually it is between the 0.65 to 0.8. So it means if you compare it with the traditional heaters to the heat pump, for our heat pump, it can save the energy up to 75%.
So exactly thanks to our upgrade on the condenser, our water heater does have a better performance. And you can take a closer look at our leaflet here. And this is our new condenser, the micro channel. It is thin and flat, and it can stick tightly to the water tank and provide a larger heat transfer area. So then besides is superior performance, what else key advantage will you attach to the heat pump water heater?
Yeah, and the second advantage, I think that is for the environment protection. For our design, it uses a very good refrigerant. For this series, we use the R134A, and also for other series, we have another friendly refrigerant. It is the R290. So, do you know the greenhouse? Do you know the GWPs for the R134A and the R290? It is 1,430 and 3 for the R290. So it means even you release this kind of refrigerant to the air, so it means it almost do no harm or little harm to the environmental. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So although the heat pump motors are more efficient and environmentally friendly, but currently I think most of the users are still concerned because in the house they have both the heat pump. They would like to keep the heating device. So can you have some solutions for this kind of a special customer to keep the heat pump and the existing heating system together?
If a customer wants to install a heat pump water heater in their home, and it is not mandatory to discuss the existing boilers. Instead, our heat pump water heater could work together with those boilers and make them as an external heat source. So, depending on the hot water demand, our unit could control the on or off of those boilers and ensure that the users could get enough hot water in the most economic and most efficient way. So having mentioned enough advantages of the heat pump water heater, is our KA models available for sales in the NA market?
Yes. For this model is designed for the North American market. Now it's ready for sales already. Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, I believe some of our audience would be interested in if we have some other designs for other markets except the KA models.
Yes. We also have similar products for the European market, like that is our main market. So for the European market, we have much more options for our customers. So like the refrigerant, we not only have the R134A, we also have the R290. And also in terms of the volumes, we have the smaller volumes like 100 liter and 150 liters. And that is for the wall-mounted design. And also, in terms of the heat source, we not only have the air source unit, we also have the water source unit. And in terms of the installation scenario, this unit is for indoor installation. So for our European market, we also have the outdoor units. So what is more important is that our products in the European market has a rather complete series of certifications like the CE, the ERP, and ROS, etc.
Yes. In addition to these products for the North American market and the European market, we also have some other designs for the outdoor application, such as the unit for the Australian market. It installed outside, and now the certifications are already with the watermark and standard mark. Yeah.
So currently, PHNIX domestic hot water team has got available products for markets all around the world. And to step further, PHNIX will never hesitate to invest in certifications. And actually, some certificates we just mentioned are not mandatory in those markets. But why do we still to invest such a large amount of capitals? And the reason is simple: we are customer oriented, and we have been striving to help our partner grow stronger and be more competitive.
So let's get back to the KA series. So usually it is impossible for all the customer in one market to share the same designs. So for these designs, what kind of customization features you can offer to the customers?
So in terms of customization, we do offer multiple options. So for the top cover, you could choose if you want the front panel or not, or you could design a brand new product, a brand new top cover, but of course that will incur extra cost. And for the display, we have three options like the LED display, the LCD display, and also the TFT display. And for this product, we are now using the LED display. And if you want to use the other two types, you also need a new top cover as well. And in terms of the color, we normally suggest our customers to use our standard colors like the black and also white and gray. And in terms of the inner part, what do we do? So firstly, our water tank, we have two options like the enamel one and also the stainless steel one. And also, our customer could choose from the magnesium anode and electronic anode. So here I would like to mention the advantages of the electronic anode. It is much more durable than the magnesium anode. Maybe its lifetime could be 2 or 3 times longer than the magnesium anode. And that is because of its titanium material, and also it helps to prevent the corrosion of the water tank in a totally different way. And lastly, inside the water tank, the customer could choose if they want the solar coil. So the solar coil could be a key component when there is demand for external heat source. So for example, if a customer wants to use our heat pump water heater together with their gas boiler, they could just connect the water pipe from the gas boiler to the solar coil connections, and then the hot water from the gas boiler could go through the solar coil and heat the water inside this water tank indirectly. Definitely, with an external heat source, the user could get enough hot water in a shorter time. But what if user does not have external heat source? As we can see, this unit has only heating capacity of 4,950 BTU per hour, approximately 1.5 kilowatts. So how could our KA model guarantee an abundant amount of hot water when users have urgent needs?
And I don't think that would be a concern. As you know, our designs have one 4.5 kilowatt elements. Besides that, we also have the different mode for different requirements. Here you can have a look. We have the vocation mode and the high requirement mode, and also the intelligent mode, the standard mode, and also the economy mode. So all these kind of modes, it will be meet all the different requirements from the end user.
Okay, so now we could take a closer look at the display.
Yeah.
So here at the bottom we have the up and down button, and also we have the switch. And here we have the intelligent mode, the standard mode, the economic mode, and also vacation mode and high requirement modes. And here we also have the timer. And in the middle is the temperature display area and the time display area here. And on the left corner, the top left corner, this is the Wi-Fi status. And on the right, you can see the fan status and also the vacation mode status. And here, we sometimes we can light up this bar here, and this indicates the available hot water volumes at the moment. So, how to set the target temperature for the KA model? So it's simple. Like we just need to press the up or down button once, and then we could see the target temperature flashing. And then we could press the button again to change the target temperature, and then click the standard mode to confirm the target temperature. And also for the timer, we just need to click for once, and then we could see the hour digit is flashing, and then we could change it, and then press the timer to confirm, and then we could set the minutes and the same, and then we could see the month and date and also year. And that's all for the LED display. So have you also did you also remember I mentioned the intelligent home at the very beginning? So for our K model, we have the Wi-Fi module right here connected to our unit. So with this module connected, we could use our HiTem app to do some remote control towards this unit. For example, we could do the target temperature setting, the operation mode setting, and also you could see some curve of the temperature, and also we could see the errors of the units. And also for our distributor, we will have an IoT platform, and on that platform, our distributor could see the equipment list and also the status of the unit, like if the unit is online or not, and also if the unit is encountering some errors. So more importantly, the IoT platform could show more curves about different parameters, so it could help our distributors better analyze what is going on with the units and what caused some potential faults at the moment. So that's all for today's live stream, and thank you for your time. So enjoy your show in the following time.
Okay, thank you for listening.
Thank you.
Bye bye. 好好，你怎么不按套路出牌？你也不按套路，我看到你读的好多不一样。你到这里就，
我看你刚才直接就跳来这了，我
没有啊，我没有跳到这里啊，
不在我那。
是我怎么打不开的？